what is learning? What is learning? Learning is the acquiring of knowledge and information. As simple as that. And we do that in many ways. Using our eyes, using our ears, using experience. Okay? But there's also something called kinesics. Have you heard of that one? Kinesics. I hope I'm spelling it right. Where you learn through physical activities. For example, sports or role play. You're role playing something, isn't it? You're role playing, let's say, GBV incident. You're role playing, let's say, a drug and substance abuse incident. So in that way, as the role play is happening, you're doing what? You're learning. Are you getting? So there's also the aspect of kinetics. So what are the forms of learning? One, to study. Okay, kinetics. 2, audio. 3, observe. 4, experience. The other, and what we've not talked about. Have you heard the word haptics? Haptics. Learning through touching. Who knows braille? Who knows what a braille is? What's a braille?
It's what is being used by the blind.
The blind. Yes. So they catch it. Yes. That's another way of learning through haptics. Huh? Yeah. So what do you think is agility? I'm agile. What you do in uncertain situations. What you do in uncertain situations. Are you together? Very good. So we've looked at what learning is. We've looked at agility. So what is learning agility? How do we tap on our past and present experiences to address situations we are in? We have what we call dimensions. You have dimensions of learning agility. The first one is flexibility. Flexibility. The second one is speed. The third one is experimenting. The fourth one, performance risk-taking. Performance risk-taking. Then we have interpersonal risk-taking. Interpersonal risk-taking. Then we have collaboration, information gathering, feedback seeking, and reflecting. Feedback seeking and reflecting. Incidentally, these dimensions were defined by something called Dr. Wormack from the Teaching College at Columbia University. So I'll quickly address each of those dimensions. 1, flexibility. It basically means you're open to ideas. You're open to new ideas, and solutions. Number 2, what is speed? Responding to something fast, quickly. Ya tatu, experimenting. What is that? We're trying out what? Behaviors. Then the other one was performance. What does this mean? Like basically taking up new challenges, eh? Taking up yeah. The other one, interpersonal risk taking. What does this mean? Basically, how do you discuss the differences in opinions? Yeah, differences in opinion. Yeah. Someone will say, me, I like chickens. I will say they like goats. I will say I like eating snakes. I like eating fish. You know? Yeah, so just basically discussing differences in what? Opinions. The other one is what? Collaboration. Yeah. And what's collaboration? When as the name suggests, yes, how you work together with people. If your focus is on addressing a need or an issue and adding value. Adding value and addressing what? A need on both parties who are involved. Because if you're not addressing a need or if you're not adding value, there is no need for that collaboration. Then we have information gathering, which is still connected. Information gathering. Why is this important? The more information you have about something, the better you are at understanding and seeing how best to adjust and adapt. So feedback seeking is very key, and the idea is, if the idea is for you to do what? To grow. And here you need to focus, take it positively, because the idea is for you to take it and do better. Reflecting. What is reflecting? You've done all this time reflecting. Why would you be reflecting? So, in simply put, when you're reflecting, you're asking yourself, what have I done good that I can do better? What can I improve on? As simple as that. So, those are the 9 dimensions of what? Of learning what? Agility. How can you improve? One thing you can do, you can celebrate mistakes as learning opportunities. Celebrate mistakes as learning opportunities. That's what I always believe. Failure is not criminal. It's not bad. And me, I have a problem, personally, when I see teachers beating students who fail. Because I tell you, nobody wants to fail. Nobody wants to do what? To fail. Failure does not equate punishment, according to me. It's not. However, failure is just a lesson. Is a what? But here is here is what you need to be very aware of. What do you do once you fail? What do you do once you fail? So whether it's an exam you've done and you failed, what do you do next time? Have you learned? Maybe you did not read enough. Maybe you ignored a certain topic. You get? Or maybe you just didn't read the question very well. In your free time, please go check them out. Go check out one assessment by Metal, METTL, METTL. And then there's also another one by Corn Ferry, KORN, then Ferry, FERRY, Corn Ferry. Then another way to improve your agility is challenging the status quo. Just adding a different viewpoint or different way of looking perhaps at the same thing. And finally, you need to have or acquire skills to deal with uncertainties. Because at the end of the day, remember, you need to know what is urgent, what is priority, what is important. What is urgent, what is priority, what is important. Is it a priority to go and watch football? Is it urgent? Is it important? Yes. Why is it important? It's a way you connect with your friends. And you have to connect with the one. It is important, but it is not urgent. Neither is it a priority. However, your work is a priority. Depending on kulipa, it's what when you go to you entertain your friends. So always think of that. What is urgent? What is important? And what is your priority?